Jai Hind students, dear students, today we will discuss about the radical. I am Harish Chandra. I am going to discuss about the chemistry radical. Here we in this class we will discuss about the acidic radical, basic radicals and how a chemical formula will form. How we will write the chemical formula for a particular molecule. Okay. Our topic is radical and this we are going to discuss with the help of a suitable example. Suppose one example NaCl. Dear students, this is sodium chloride. When you will dissolve in water, then it will convert into Na plus Cl minus. Means one is the positive charge species, that is cation, another is anion. This is cation and this is anion. Okay, this cationic part and anionic part both are combinedly known as the radical. Both are known as the radical, and this positive charge species is said to be the basic radical. Negative charge is the acidic radical. Means in any salt, whatever positive salt you will get, that one will be the basic radical. This is basic radical, and this anionic part will be acidic radical. Understood? Why this cationic part is said to be the basic radical and this is anionic part is said to be the acidic radical? There is some reason behind it. Dear students, this cation came from the base. Actually, this is the salt. It is salt. And as you are knowing that salt is formed by the chemical combination of the acid and base by the neutralization reaction. And that neutralization reaction is the exothermic reaction, means heat energy is released during the process. So this salt is formed by the combination of the acid and base. So that basic part is Na+. It came from NaOH. We will see the example. Suppose NaOH, this is base plus acid HCl. This is acid. Now by the reaction you will get NaCl plus H2O plus heat. This is said to be neutralization reaction. Okay, see, this is acid, base, salt, water and heat. You can see this Na plus, that is cationic part, came from the base. That is why it is said to be basic radical. Cl minus, here Cl minus came from HCl, which is acid, so it is known as acidic radical. Very simple concept. Okay, now this cationic part, anionic part, you can see from here. Here it have one charge. So it is said to be mono acid radical, or you can tell that, see, di-anions means one charge, so mono charge. Mono means one. Okay, we will see another example. Suppose Ca2 plus, this is calcium ion. Here how many charge present, my dear? Here 2 plus, calcium 2 plus present. Okay, so this calcium 2 plus is divalent electropositive, divalent. Monovalent, this is monovalent and this is divalent. divalent. Divalent electropositive species means di means two charge. Di means two charge. Similarly, aluminium 3 plus trivalent aluminium ion. Okay, and this is SO4 2 minus. This is sulfate ion. Sulfate ion. How many charge present here? Minus 2. So divalent electronegative charge, electronegative species. This is clear, my dear. Now we will discuss how we will write the formula. How, suppose aluminium ion with sulfate ion. You want to write, this is aluminium ion, so aluminium, and this is sulfate ion, so sulfate. Aluminium sulfate, suppose formula you want to write. Aluminium, you want to write the formula of aluminium sulfate. So this is you can write by the cross multiplication. Aluminium 3 plus SO4 2 minus. Here how many charge, my dear? 3. Here 2 charge. So you can do the cross multiplication. Means aluminium how many times? Aluminium 2 times, and SO4, this is SO4 how many times? 3 times. So this is aluminium sulfate. Like this you may write the formula. Suppose you want to write the formula of the aluminium chloride, or suppose calcium chloride. Calcium chloride you want to write. Okay, so how will you write the calcium chloride, my dear? If you want to write the calcium chloride formula, so you may see this is Ca2 plus chloride and Cl minus. Here 2 charge, 1 charge, cross multiplication, you will get calcium how many times? 1 times, and Cl you will write 2 times. So this is calcium chloride formula. So like this we can write the formula of the any molecule which contain acidic and basic radical, which contain the molecule negative charge, means acidic radical, basic radical. Okay, so please do the practice. Thank you. God bless you. Have a nice day.